Hi, it's Mona. For today's card, I am playing with the Sweet Strawberry and Be Happy stamp sets. I am also bringing in the Scripty Thanks and large stitch Stackables dies, along with a few other goodies which I will show you as we go along. For stamping, I am using the jet black ink pad on Nina Solar White cardstock. While I usually love using my Misty for its precision, today I'm going with acrylic blocks. Why? Because I need to stamp two designs repeatedly, and blocks make the process a lot quicker and more fun. The finer details will come later after coloring. Once everything is stamped, I give it a quick 2-minute blast with my heat gun. This little step helps set the ink nicely, so there is no chance for smudges later, because who wants that, right? Now let's dive into coloring. The Ohuhu Honolulu marker colors I'm using are listed in the corner of the screen, so you can follow along or use them as a reference. Here is a fun tip for the red berries. I used a complementary color for the undershading to give their shadows a super realistic look. As you can see, I'm coloring directly on a little guide which shows the steps. I will also share the final version of coloring guide on my Instagram later, so you can save it for the color inspiration if you would like. Now I will put some music to keep things relaxing, and I will be back soon to guide you through the next steps. Once all the coloring was done, I went back to stamp the little details like faces and strawberry seeds. I am using the same jet black ink as previously. Aren't they just the cutest? Now it's time to add some highlights. I'm using a white Prismacolor pencil and a white Posca pen to make the images pop out more. These finishing touches always bring the designs to life and make me smile every single time. For the die cutting, I skipped filming this step to save some time. I used my trusty best ever craft tape to hold the dies in place. And ta-da! The adorable fruity pieces are done. Now for the background. I picked a sweet pink cardstock from the Watercolor Wishes 6x6 petite paper pack and ran it through my die cut machine with the large stitch Stackables dies. For the sentiment, I die cut the Scripty tanks 5 times for white cardstock and layered them up with glue to give it a nice chipboard looking sentiment. To go with the die-cut sentiment, I stamped the text from the Sweet Strawberry stamp set with plastic flamingo ink. Oh, such a pretty shade. Then I masked off the word berry and stamped it again in jet black ink for a cool, layered effect. I saw this idea in Kelly's card inspiration and I just had to try it myself. As I started putting the card together, I felt like it was missing something. Then it hit me, a frame! So I grabbed the stitched scallop rectangle frames and die cut one from the red textured cardstock. It gives the card such a cute, fruity yogurt vibe, don't you think? And here is the final look at this happy little fruity card. For more details or the blog link, check the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!